September 7th is product launch. Let's bring in Scott Bauer and let's trade. Patiently standing by, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. All right, Scott, Bull's got something going here today, and Apple's leading the way.
Yeah, and Oliver, when we get to these events, this is almost like an earnings release for Apple when they have these big events. And you typically in the past see a run up in the stock and then maybe sort of a little bit of a disappointment. And I'm playing it the same way from the trading side of things here. I do think that we will get, some anticipation, what you and Michael talked about, where there is going to be a fine-tooth comb, right? I mean, this thing is going to get just dissected every single way, whether this is good, bad, or indifferent for the company. Most importantly, for the share price, for people, that are stockholders or looking at what to do as a trade here. So I'm selling a put spread today. Okay, and the reason I'm doing that is I'm looking for a run-up Tuesday, maybe even early Wednesday into the meeting, and then I'm going to get out. I'm either going to adjust it and turn it into a different position like a butterfly, or I'm just going to exit. And I'm just doing that based on the trend that typically with these events, we see the stock run up going into the event and then maybe just level off. So what I'm looking to do is I'm selling the September 16th, 160, 155 put spread. It's slightly in the money right now because the stock is just below 160. Going to collect $2 for that. I would look by Wednesday morning, again, to either adjust that, make it a butterfly, take off some of that risk, or just exit out of that position. Apple did hold nicely earlier in the week down at the 50-day moving average. But like you guys discussed, and like I mentioned, there is going to be a lot of scrutiny here. And I think that just based on past history, the initial results after they announce what the improvements, what the new products are going to be, I think you got to be careful.
Okay. So I like the approach here where, it's not, you're not looking for an extreme move.
Nope.
Basically, just kind of selling some hedged downside and hoping it doesn't break down.
Exactly. And if it does, listen, it's a $5 wide put spread I'm selling for $2. And like I said, I will absolutely 100% be out of this position, or at least have hedged off the position before, all the news comes out on Wednesday. I just think we're going to get a little bit of run up. I could see the stock trading 161, 162 going into the event. That would be great for this position. And again, if the stock does go south, Oliver, everything that I trade is always hedged off, like you said. So I do have a hedged off put spread.
Okay. All right. Makes sense. Thanks, Scott Bauer, for the trade. Appreciate it, sir.
Have a good weekend. Have a great one.
You got it. All right. Easy enough selling a downside put spread in Apple ahead of the report.